Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange, a leading crypto trading platform. Discount sales seems to be going on. If you are a long-term investor, consider buying some shares now in small tranches. If you are a trader, consider attending our workshop. So I am having one workshop in Delhi next month and one more workshop in Mumbai. So there we will teach how to study the trend of the market and to take positions accordingly. What a fantastic fall. Who would have thought Nifty will fall 300 points from intraday high to intraday low today, while it fell 300 points yesterday already. So taking from day before yesterday high to today low, it's about 600 points, just 2 trading sessions. And only 4 or 5 trading sessions before, Nifty was trading around 19,800. Now it came very close to 19,000. So nearly 800 point fall in just a matter of 4 or 5 trading sessions. And Bank Nifty, no need to tell, is breaking the swing low. Clearly, there is only one word to explain today's price action. It is capitulation. Capitulation means surrender. The people who are holding the long positions in futures, the way markets are falling, their MTM losses becoming more and more, and the brokers start squaring off their positions. And what in stock market they call it as margin calls. Assume that you have some positions. When the market keep going down, your future position having more and more losses. So there is no sufficient money in your account. And then the broker will tell you either you pump in more money or we will square off the positions. Otherwise the broker will get into the trouble. So this forced selling could be the only possible reason why market fell so much today on top of such a big fall yesterday. And see, yesterday the market fell so much and there was no DII selling, there was no FII selling, there was no shorting in futures in FII segment. So global cues were good. So everything was normal, but markets fell so much yesterday. And today also, yesterday the US markets closed in green. Today most of the Asian markets were higher, and today we also opened slightly higher. And then this kind of a what we can say mayhem. So as I stated earlier, in the last 11 years, so October series has always been positive except for 2018. And after 2018, now 2023, also the same thing. And what similarity we can see, 2018 is the year before parliament election, 2023 also is a year before parliament election. So maybe, the global cues, the globally markets are not really very good. So year to date, most of the European markets are down only. In fact, for the last 2 years, the global markets have given only 0 return, whether it's of US or Europe. But Nifty also nothing great because, 2021 October, Nifty was at 18,600. Now it is 19,000. It's 2 years, is just 2 percentage point. That means per annum it gives only 1%. So if not for options and call selling and this and that, I don't think that anybody would have made meaningful money in large cap stocks. Mid cap and small caps are different. So I think this retail selling and margin calls, in the morning the markets fell, everybody thought, the margin calls would have come. So once that settles down by 11 a.m., usually by 11 a.m., so you don't pump in the extra money, the broker square up the position. So they thought that after 11 a.m. the markets will stabilize. Afternoon Europe opened, but they were just almost flat with a negative bias, but our markets sold into in a huge way. At the end of the day, FIIs have sold for 4,200 crores. And every time I've been telling, so FII is continuously selling. One day they buy and people think, FII started buying. and take bullish view, the next day market fell because they sell much more than what they buy. I think yesterday they bought for about 500 crore. Today they are selling for 4,000 crore, 8 times more than what they bought yesterday. You know, this October series has gone terribly wrong and very, very bad. Markets are, I would say, extremely oversold. You know, like how to say 1,000-point fall recently and then 700, 800 point fall in just 4 or 5 trading sessions. And all, you know, like TCS results came. Before the results, it was trading around 3,600 plus. They are announcing a buyback above 4,000 and now the stock is falling more than 200 points. After the results, TCS has fallen 6-7%, Infosys has fallen 6-7%, and today HDFC Bank broke 1,500, which is considered to be a very, very good support. So the support is broken, and today Infosys can fall, you know, around 3%, while it was up by 2% yesterday in the US ADR. So that's a big difference of 5%, and that too such a big stock. So I think now the problem is that, you know, it is the retail people's over leverage position. I think that is being unwind. I think that will be completely unwound by tomorrow, and the markets may start stabilizing after that. So usually if a series is very, very bad, on expiry day it will be even more bad. So that is the experience, and usually this kind of huge selling in the last 1 week, and usually on expiry day Nifty will expire at the lowest point. But let us hope for something better, because, you know, after our market closed, European markets are slightly recovering. So US futures, they are not plus, but at least Dow future is in plus, whereas Nasdaq and S&P 500 is in minus. Of course, there are many things can happen. So Boeing will be coming out with results before the market opens, and then after the market closes, Facebook will be coming out with results, so which will make some difference in US markets. So we can decide only tomorrow morning where we are likely to open, but clearly this discount sale is going on. If you are a long-term investor, you may start buying some stocks from now in some small tranches and not at one go. So yesterday I came out with a video suggesting 2 stocks, and if you are a trader, so consider attending our workshop. So we will teach, you know, how to study the trend of the market and take positions accordingly. So we are having a workshop on Delhi the following week, and 2 weeks later in Mumbai. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.